Eto na, fourth set na po tayo. Nakahabol po dito ang Perpetual.
Wow, look at the
Service.
numbers. Kung
Grabe.
tinusin mo across the skills, ang nagsastand out talaga yung service. Yun lang yung naiiba, 7 points.
Dahil dyan, kay Jane
Oo.
Diaz.
And Sandra De Los Santos
Sandra
also.
De Los Santos, Joy Cases, April Santin, everybody had an ace, at least one, nung ating third set. Kaya nandito po tayo ngayon sa fourth set. Perpetual ang unang magsaserve dito. So, ayan, marami-rami tayong oras para explika yung mga implikasyon ng pag-abot dito sa fourth set for both teams. And 4 touches, first point ngayon para sa kupunan ng Lady Altas. Ngayon, umpisa na natin. Try natin ito
Do
ng
we need to
maigi.
phone a friend?
Si Sherwin Malonzo nasa
Tinataguan
kabila.
tayo.
Nataguan tayo eh. Kasi magkakaroon po ng mga ties dito involving these two teams and Arellano. Now, ang mangyayari dito, itong Adamson, they're up 2 sets to 1 ngayon. So if they win this in the fourth set, automatically number 2 sila. Tapos magkakaroon ng tie between Arellano at itong Perpetual dun sa ilalim. In which case, Arellano might have the better quotient over sa tiebreaker na yon as Adamson scores again. Arellano will be moved to number 3 at ang Perpetual babagsak sa number 4. Okay, so if that's the way I understand, if Sherwin is listening to me, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's the way I understand it ngayon. So ngayon, itong Adamson, they have to finish this in 4 sets. Why? Kasi pag umabot to ng 5th set, kahit na sila pang manalo, okay, magkakaroon pa ng mga mas marami pang komplikasyon yan. As we take a look at the action right now, as Paat is blocked, lalabas yung bola, pupunta rito sa side ng Adamson yung punto. So 3-1 for Adamson.
So that's why we actually mentioned earlier how important it is for the game to
Right.
end in 3 sets. Kung
Oo.
sakali. I mean, kung 3 sets siya,
Kahit 4
wala naman
pwede.
pag-usapan,
Kahit
3 or
4 pwede pa. For Adamson at least. Pag umabot to ng 5th set, doon natin kikwento ngayon yung mga complications that will surround both teams na ngayon dito. And of course, Arellano is still involved. Kasi number 1 na sa grupo nila, if I'm not mistaken, is NU already. Is already safely at number 1. Kasi pairing sa mangyayari sa ating
Oo.
quarterfinal eh. Diaz. Makatuno. Pineda. Turned back by Sandra. Pineda one more time. Net lang. Dumali kay Pineda that time. So 4-2. Sandra, best game of the season so far for the reigning MVP. Admittedly, not yet in game shape, but very focused sa larong ito, especially sa kanyang serve.
Okay, you jinxed it, but nonetheless, she already has 13 points to
Yeah.
name in this game. So,
Ako.
kahit na na-jinx mo yun, at best scorer
Oy,
siya.
Sandra, hindi ko kasalanan.
But it always happens. I
Oo
observe
nga eh.
every time anybody from the panel says, ang ganda ng serve, maganda yung ano, biglang nag-error.
Oh. More often than not, ano?
More often than not.
Nice block by Guevara, pero itinawid ni Tobino. Pineda. Oh, wow! Ang liit na lang ng butas na yun, naipasok pa niya. The franchise. Gusto na kaya yung mga tao natin nagtitweet. As we take a look at that last play once again, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Pineda, make that Soriano on the serve. Reception by Sartin. Tubino on the quick. Makatuno. Nice fake that time. Pero nabasa pa rin ni Condada. And credit that to Condada actually. That's a point for the libero.
It is. So, yung nag-overball work to their advantage.
Right. Vima Condada scoring from that libero position. 6-3. Adamson pa rin na may kalamangan dito sa ating fourth set. Joy Cases. Makatuno. Dinaan pa rin doon para kay Pineda. Dug up by Cases. Tubino out of position and she still scores. Iba na talaga ang alam kung gaano kalaki yung court. So now Cases to serve. .6-4 Adamson. Makatuno. Paat. Yes.
It catches that line.
So right now, 7-4 for Adamson. Maaga pa dito sa ating fourth set. Argarin. Tubino on the run. Pineda. Benting. Tubino. Gumagalaw ang net. Wala pa rin tawag. Diaz, what a shot. Pero nandun pa rin si Listana. Benting. Nice dig by Cases. Sartin. Yes!
Finds that opening.
Di pa rin umaatras itong Perpetual. They know if they push this to a fifth set, it benefits them a lot. Win or lose na yon, a lot na yon. Now Diaz. Again, the service continues for Jane Diaz. Kamote na naman ang Adamson dito.
And you can really see, pagka yung service na nag-cross ng net, hirap na hirap talaga yung receiver.
Benting. Tubino. Nandun na sa harapan niya. Hindi naman niya nadali ng husto. 8-5 Adamson, set 4.